Okay, what is going on, man? This is my very first video on this channel, man. I just started doing some day trading, trading stocks and forex and all that kind of good stuff. As you know, I have a few channels already. I have AC Dynamic, I have True Motivated Fitness, I have True Lifestyle Events, and I think that's pretty much it. And now I have this one. So this is Trend Trader TV. You're on with your boy. So what I'm gonna do on this channel, man, pretty much is go over like strategies and insider insights on different tactics about trading. I just started trading about 2 weeks ago, something like that. Maybe 2 or 3, give or take. So I'm gonna take you all on my journey of trading forexes. What does I do? I trade I think NAS 100 and also US 30. So those are my main stocks and forex to trade. I got a few favorites on the forex, but my main NASDAQ and US 30. So my main two. So we'll get into that later. But anyway, man, thank y'all for being a part of your boy all these years on the AC Dynamic YouTube channel. It's my gaming channel. I've been putting it down, as you already know. But let's get it going on this channel here, man. So this is going to be a journey of me just going through the motions, doing some trading, some live trading, just uploading videos of me winning, losing, whatever, profiting or whatever you want to call it. But I'm also going to be doing some like daily life routine type stuff too. It's not going to be strictly about trading. It's going to be a little more in depth about other stuff as well. So let's go ahead and get into my trade today. I'm gonna share my screen with you and show you what I did on this NAS 100 stock. Let's get it. So this here is the stock that I did today. This is NAS 100. I didn't buy in right there at the bottom where you see that arrowhead pointing upward where it tells you to buy. I bought in, I think, a little ways up. I got a video that I'm gonna post that I'm gonna put at the end of this video of where I bought. I think I bought in twice because I got out too early, which is what I hate. Let's fast forward a little bit. I can show you exactly where I bought in at. Let's see if I can fast forward this thing. Okay, and NAS 100, I like it because it's so volatile. I like the fact that you can get in and get out. So I pretty much just watch the 1-minute charts on NAS 100, also US 30, because it gives me time to, even though I gotta sit there and watch the screen, watch the movement, it gives me a little, time to get in and get out on that 1 minute. And that's why I like 1 minute on NAS 100 and also US 30, because it's so quick, you know what I'm saying? But other stocks like other forexes like GBP and JPY, all those different things, and I put those on, I think, the 5 or the 15-minute chart. Okay, so, and I will explain all that stuff to you. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of videos out there about how to do stocks, forexes. Of course it is. But as you know, I'm new to the game. Well, not actually new. I did it a while back in 2017, I think, or maybe 16. And I'm starting to get back into it. I wasn't consistent. I was losing, well, losing all types of money. So I quit. And what I was doing, I had no trainer. I had no coach. I was just doing it on my own. I heard about it, signed up, and started losing all types of money. But let's go ahead and tell you what I bought in at. I bought in, I think, right about right there. That's why I bought in at right there. Okay. And then as you see, it's pretty much I figured out how to play NAS. You get in. I had it set for, as you can see, I have my my session indicator located at the top right there where it says New York. I like to play NAS. I like to play NAS 100 in the New York session. So which starts about UTC, so Central America time. I think it's about 9 o'clock. No, 7 o'clock for me. So they're 2 hours ahead. So I get up by 7 o'clock, and it's booming around that time. Like it's going either up or down. You know what I'm saying? I figured it out too. What I'm gonna do is the best time to get in on NAS 100 and also US 30 is on the New York Times. I figured it out. I figured it out today. Okay, I made a little profit today, and I also lost today. You know, I was up big. Well, not too big. I was up like 300 something dollars, and I pretty much lost half of that. So now I'm down to like 100 and something. Because I didn't catch it on the right time frame. You know, I caught it in the middle, and then I got out and I got back in, and then when I got in, it started going down. You know what I'm saying? So now I figured out that pretty much the time frame to get in when the banks open and everything is around about 7 o'clock. And I also noticed if I'm gonna do a back test video too. It'll show you where it opens up my time around about 2 o'clock when you start seeing movement between between 3 and 5. You see movement, right? So, and it's pretty good movement. It's pretty good trend too. It's always a down trend. I'm gonna do a back test later, probably in another video, but it's always a down trend around that time. You know what I'm saying? And you get in right there, and then you get on. You catch it around 7 o'clock as well. You can get your downtrend that's around 2 to 5, and then get your uptrend around about 7 to 11, and it goes down again from there. From 12 to 4, I think it goes down again. So you can get your trades in. So that's what I'm gonna start doing with the NAS 100, also US 30. But I like US 30 better because it's not as volatile as NAS 100, and it's more of an uptrend on US 30. Uptrend, downtrend. It's more of a trend, not like NAS. NAS is all over the place, man. But yeah, let me show you another video right quick. Let me pull up another video. Let me pause the video right quick and show you where I bought in at the second time. Okay, this is the other video right here. You see we got the movement going. So with this chart, the way my chart is set up, I went ahead and bought the platinum version, the premium version of Lux Algo, and it comes with this whole setup. It's an all-in-one chart. It's amazing, man. You can read the chart so much better. You know, you don't have to draw those lines and all those trends and all that. You know, it's right there for you. And I will cover that as well in a later video. And also it lets you know, this chart, this indicator lets you know when to get out. It gives you a warning. Like, let me show you. Let me fast forward a little bit. Right there, it's an X. Has an X right there. If you look at the top, it's a blue X at the top. It lets you know when to get out. Like, hey, it's time to get out. You done did your thing. Go ahead and get out the market now before you start going down. That's exactly what I did. So I bought in the middle. I profit right around about 16 bucks that first time because it came back down. It stopped me out, and then I got in again and I hit for like 80 bucks. I didn't do a big lot size because, you know, if it goes down too far, you lose a lot of money. So I didn't want to risk it. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did on this trade here. And you know, I messed up. I started trading again after this. I got back in later on after this video, after this recording, and I lost. So I lost some money, like big time. That's my fault. I should have stayed out. I should have left. I should have did it when I can. I should have got it when I get out when I can. So now I figured it out. I'm gonna get in the market from 2 or 5 up until like 11, and I'm good for the whole day. Then jump to the next day, Monday through Friday. That's gonna be my schedule for now, until I start making a little more money, and then I can up it a little bit throughout the day. You know what I'm saying? But that's all I have to show y'all, man. Is my little setup right there. And I think I highlighted it somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. See my profit. That's why I had my. Let me see. There we go. Right there. Let me pause it. I think it is paused. Okay. So at the bottom, that's why I took my loss at. Well, not that far down. I adjusted that, but not that far down. Like where that green is right here, that's why I took my profit at, and also up here, that's why I took profit at. But yeah, man. So this is it, man. This is my journey. This is gonna be my journey for, you know, next few videos, the next few weeks or whatever. I'm gonna upload a lot of content. I hate starting over. I hate starting over, man. I hate whenever you do a YouTube channel, you get like 11,000, 12,000 subscribers, and they steady going up, but then you start all over down to like, I got 3 now, and that 3 been sitting there for, this is the old channel. I just changed the name. I just changed the name on it, and I have those 3 subscribers for years. It's the very first video, so it's gonna take some time to get back where I was. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty quick too. So, but yeah, this is gonna be my journey. Let y'all see my losses and my wins and what I profit. Let y'all know some tips and tricks that I found out along the way. All that good stuff, man. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, because I gotta get my subscribers back up. Gotta get back up there, man. Help your boy out. Help your boy out, man. Y'all take care, man. Peace.